Okay guys, I'm back with another pocket option 5-second strategy video where we are going to use the same indicator that is called Parabolic SAR so that you can start to make profitable trades right after watching this video. If you are new to this strategy video, watch this video very carefully because this is the strategy that lots of my Telegram subscribers are using and making good amount of profit by trading themselves. So don't skip any part of this video. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. First thing you need to do is make all of this currency pair your favorite. Just make this starch yellow and all of the currency pair that has over 92% over 90% payout will appear at here. Just see the payout percent at here. Once you do this much, just click on here, okay, and click on these candles and make it of S5 so that all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. And also here you can see there is a timer at here, okay, and if it is turned off, this timer will be not shown at here. So just turn this timer on and it will start to show at here. Now if it is flag, make it clock and click on here and select S5. Now your trading time frame is also going to be a 5-second. Now you need to implement this indicator that is called Parabolic SAR. So just go to here and click on Parabolic SAR. Once you click on it, then this will be implemented at here. You don't need to make any changes to this setting, it's all fine. So now the strategy is extremely simple, okay. So let's say we are going to invest $100 in one trade, okay. Just decide the amount that you want to invest. So let me show you in a chart that is so that I can explain you how exactly this strategy works, okay. Just let's see in this chart, okay. So as you can see, whenever these parabolic dots are forming above the candles, that means it's a downtrend, and whenever this parabolic SAR is forming below these candles, then it is an uptrend. Just remember that thing. And we will make trade only when the second candle is forming or second candle swaps. Whenever second candle swaps, we make trade in the same direction. Like if it is forming in downwards, okay, below the candles, and if it is an uptrend and second parabolic SAR dot is formed, then we make trade by clicking on higher. And if the market is going down, okay, and parabolic SAR is forming above the candles, and we see the second dot, we make trade by clicking on lower. This strategy is as simple as this. Now you can use some money management with it, like if you are investing $100, make 3 trades, 4 trades, and if all of them are profitable, stop trading for that day, okay. If you are facing continuous loss, then you can stop trading for that day, okay. So here you can see one dot have formed, now second dot have formed, that's why we made a trade by clicking on lower. Now not all of your trades are going to be right, okay. Some of your trades are going to be in loss also. As you can see, we had already made one loss, so we made a one loss. Here is second dot, okay. We made a trade by clicking on higher, but market opened a little bit below, so we made a loss in this also. Now we have 2 loss, okay, no problem. Let's keep on finding this kind of market. Here you can see the second dot, that's why I made a trade by clicking on lower, and we made profit we made loss in this trade also. So 3 trades were lost. Now you can stop for that day, okay, or you can still find the signals for making trade. Here you can see there was a second dot formed, that's why I made a trade by clicking on higher, and we made a 4 loss at here. So let's keep on searching for the appropriate place to make trade. So 4 loss, don't just worry about loss, okay. You can have a good amount of balance and keep on trading consistently with the same amount, so you can start to make profits soon. Here you can see there was second dot, so that's why I made a trade by clicking on lower. Now let's see what happens in this trade. So we made a profit, one profit, 4 loss. Now let's keep on searching further. Here you can see there is 75% payout, so let's remove that, okay. Here you can see the second dot, that's why we made a trade by clicking on higher. Now let's see what happens. Yeah, 5 loss, 1 win. No worries, these things keep on happening. Let's find more places where we can make the trade. So second dot, make a trade by clicking on higher. Yeah, we made a profit, 2 loss, 2 win, 5 loss, okay. let's keep on looking. So there are no other places to make trade. Let's keep your second dot, so make trade by clicking on higher. So 3 profit 5 loss, so we are in the verge of recovering our losses. Okay, but don't keep on trading if you are not feeling good and you are if you are keeping on making losses. Okay, try to stop also. So for example, I made 5 losses and 3 wins. Okay, I can stop for that day and book the loss for today. Someday I could make 5 profits straight in a day, and that day I will be profitable also. So let's keep on searching if we can find more places to make trade. So don't skip the video. Okay, you can, this is a headache free strategy. You don't need to take lots of tension while making trades. Here you can see one dot have formed, second dot have formed, but it was a little bit delayed when we made a trade. But still, let's see. Yeah, we made loss. It was going to be profitable, but at the end we made loss. So let's see furthermore. A second dot, so we made a trade by clicking on higher, and most probably we are going to make profit in this trade. So 4 profit 6 loss. Correct me if my counting is wrong. 4 profit 6 loss. Let's see for more places. You just need to switch between these charts and you will keep on finding these kind of signals where you can, here you can see we missed this trade. Okay, these things happens. So let's see for more. I'm going to upload an on-cut video. Okay, I'm not going to make any edit at this video. So if you are feeling bored while I'm searching the market, just skip. Here you can see second dot, so we made a trade, but again a little bit below we made this trade and we still made a profit. So 6 loss 5 profit. Okay, I could stop for today, but let's find more places. Yeah, now there will be a second dot because first dot I have already formed, so I made a trade by clicking on lower at here. But I think this is also going to be loss. Yeah, loss 7 loss 4 profit. So according to the result that I am getting right now is not the good time to make trade with this strategy, I guess. Okay, so you can, if you feel that way, then you can stop trading for that day. Yeah, we made a profit 7 loss 5 profit. Okay, we are still in loss. So here you can see second candle have formed, so we have made a trade by clicking on higher. Okay, yeah, we made a profit 7 loss 6 profit. So there was a second but third dot have formed. Okay, and it was a mistake trade that I made, but we made a profit at here. Anyway, that's fine. 7 profit 7 loss. Okay, so now again we have started from 0 0, I guess. Now let's see for more places where we can make trade. So now 7 losses 7 profit, and you can see how powerful this strategy could be. So I made a trade by clicking on higher and it started to move in opposite direction. We made a loss 8 loss 7 profit. So let's find another place where we can make trade. Yeah, here we can make a trade by clicking on lower, but suddenly market started to move in another direction and we made a loss 9 loss 7 profit. So let's keep on finding because we need to make some profit. That's why I'm trading this much, but you should not trade this much. Okay, make a wide choice while making it. Yeah, second dot have found, but okay, so we missed that trade. Yeah, but anyway, we made trade and we made a profit. Okay, so let's find another place where we can make the trade. Okay, so yeah, here we can get another place where we can make the trade. Yeah, we made a trade at here. Now let's see what happens. Yeah, we made a profit here, but I lost the counting how much trade we made. Okay, but still we are not in a huge loss with this strategy, as you can see here. Even if in start lots of trade didn't go well, but Later it have started to go well, so second dot have formed, so I made a trade by clicking on higher. Yes, we made a profit at here. Let's, yeah, here also we can make a trade by clicking on higher. As you can see, second dot have formed, but let's see what happens. Yeah, we made a profit at here. Now I think we made some profit. Okay, I have already forgot the counting. Okay, how much trade I placed. Okay, but you may have watched this, you can count these trades, and you can also trade in this way. If there is loss happening continuously, then you can recover some and stop for that day and trade in another day. Okay, so this much for this video. I hope this video was entertaining for you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.